In this video, I'll show you log out of your Google account on an Android phone step by step. Whether you're switching to a new account, giving your phone to someone else, or simply want to remove your account from the device, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Don't worry, it's quick, easy, and works on most Samsung Android phones. Open the settings menu. You can find it in your app drawer or by tapping the gear icon in the quick settings panel. Next, scroll down until you see Accounts and Backup. On some Android devices, this option may simply be called Accounts or Passwords and Accounts, depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version. Tap it to continue. Now, tap Manage Accounts to see all the accounts currently signed in on your device. Find and select the Google account that you want to log out of or remove from the phone. After opening the account, tap Remove Account. A confirmation message will appear explaining that removing the account will delete its associated data from this device, including emails, contacts, calendar events, and other synced information. Don't worry, your Google account itself is not deleted. It will remain safe and you can sign in again at any time. Tap Remove Account once more to confirm your choice. If this is the only Google account on the device, Android will ask you to enter your phone's PIN, pattern, or password. This security step helps prevent unauthorized users from removing accounts from your device. Once you've verified your identity, the Google account will be removed from your Android phone. The account will no longer sync data, receive Gmail notifications, or access Google services on that device until you sign in again. That's it. Your Google account has been successfully removed from your Android phone. If this tutorial helped, please like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more simple Android tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.